47 years old. For years, action, I am 47. You are 39. He is, she is 10. Remember, for years, we use action am, are, and is. I am 47 years old. Or, I am 47. Years old, optional. Question, how old? Question for years. Ow, how? O, ol, old. How old? I am 47. How old are you? Pronunciation. 1. W, one. 2. T, two. 3. Thir. E, 3. 4. Or. 4. 5. I, 5. 5. 6. Sick. 6. 7. Se. Sev. Seven. 7. 8. 8. 9. I, 9. 10. Te. 10. Let's practice question for years, question for age. How old? How old is Carlos?
He is 10.
Very good. How old is Emma?
She's 5.
Very good. Question, how old is Carlos? Respond. How old is Emma? Respond. Very good. Pronunciation. 11. L. Ele. Elev. 11. 11. 12. Twe. 12. 12. 12. Repeat. 12. 13. Third. E. 30. 13. 13. Repeat. Very good. 14. Or, for, fort. E. 40. 14. 14. Repeat. 15. Fifth. 50. 50. 15. 15. Repeat. 16. Sick. 6. 6th. 60. 16. 16. Repeat. 17. Se. Seve. 7. Seventh. E, 70. 17. 17. Repeat. 18. A, t, 8. E, 80. 18. 18. Repeat. 19. I, 9. T, 9. E, 90. 19. 19. Repeat. 20. T, w, tw. E, twe. Twen. E, 20. 20 or 20. American pronunciation, 20. Repeat, 20. Very good. 11. Repeat. 12. Repeat. 13. Repeat. 14. Repeat. 15. Repeat. 16. Repeat. 17. Repeat. 18. 19. 20. Very good. Let's practice numbers. Question. How old is she?
She is 14.
How old is he?
He is 15.
Question. How old is she? Respond. How old is he? Respond. Very good. How old is she?
She is 16.
How old is he?
He is 17.
Very good. Question. How old is she? Respond. How old is he? Respond. How old is she?
She is 18.
18. How old is she? Respond. Very good. Pronunciation. 10. T, e, te. 10. Repeat. 20. T, w, tw. E, twe. Twen. E, 20. 20. Repeat. 30. Third. Third. E, 30. 30. Repeat. 40. Or, for, Ford. E, 40. 40. Repeat. 50. I, fi. Fift. 50. 50. Repeat. 60. S, I, si. Sick. 6. Sixth. E, 60. 60. Repeat. 70. S, e, se. V, sev. E, seve. Seven. D, sevened. E, 70. 70. Repeat. 80. A, d, aid. E, 80. 80. Repeat. 90. I, nigh. 9. D, nined. E, 90. 90. Repeat. 100 or 100? Hun, hunj, hundred, 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 100 or 100? 100. Repeat. Very good. 10. Repeat. 20. Repeat. 30. Repeat. 40. Repeat. 50. 60. 70. 80. 90. 100. Very good. Let's practice how old. Question for years. I'm 48. Lisa, how old are you?
I'm 39. How old are you?
I'm 48. How old are you? Respond. Very good. Let's look at the difference in pronunciation. With 13, we have T-E-T, teen, 13. And the stress and accent is on the second syllable. 13, 13. Repeat. Very good, 13. And here we have 30. The stress is on the first syllable, 30. And the pronunciation, D, 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 30. Repeat, 30. 30. So again, 13, 30.